Hi everyone, Dave Zackos here. I'm excited to share with you a new listing we have in a great neighborhood called Calusa Lakes in Nokomis. (2104) Timucua Trail is located at the very rear of the community in a nice private setting. Let's go in and take a look. This home is situated on a quarter-acre lot. Lots of privacy, maintenance-free. It's in the private enclave of Woodland Trails. That's maintenance-free. All your landscaping, irrigation is taken care of. Let's go inside and take a look. This house boasts a lot of brand new features, including new vinyl flooring throughout. You've got a living room, dining room on this side of the house with vaulted ceiling. Light comes in galore from every room. To your right, separation with the master with two sliding doors out to the deck. And in addition to that, you've got dual vanity, master, sinks, bath and shower, completely new and updated. If we take a look at the rest of the house, you'll notice that the kitchen's in the center. Great house to entertain. Open windows, sliders to the porch. This kitchen is brand new with cabinets, countertops, appliances. You'll notice just tons of room. Family room here to the left with your two bedrooms and your bath behind. This door leads out to the deck. Covered porch and additional space out behind, which just tons of privacy. You'll love the fact that you're not looking at anybody and nobody's looking at you. This home on Timucua Trail is a really great house. Has room for a pool, but if you didn't have one, let me just show you. Just a few steps down is a community pool, and I'm gonna take a quick little jog down there and just show you how close that is.